first inauguration in the morning that was for the BBA batch, and it's so very energizing to see all these energetic students, very enthusiastic faces. I'm really happy to see you all. This is working. So let me take the privilege to again welcome all of you to ITM Skills University. It's really wonderful to see this big batch joining us this year, 2025. And yeah, there's a lot of expectations from all of you. I think when you saw these demos, right, we call it the demo day for all of them. I told Sai we're going to change the format. We're not going to make it demo day for all of you. You will have to make the project and make it happen. That means there will be a pilot test, or you will probably try even commercializing it. So that would be the test. That means you will have a lot of public also giving you heads up for that particular app that you have innovated. So wonderful. I think it was a different inauguration where you could see so many presentations by the students. But yes, I would like to ask you some questions. Again, a quiz, right? Uh, how many of you know who is Dipinder Goyal? Raise your hands. Okay, who is he? If anybody can tell me, the company that he founded. Yeah, Zomato. Wow, that's your favorite, right? How can you miss it? And you must know the owner because I think he's done a great deal for the millennials because you order food through Zomato. So, in fact, Dipinder Goyal was working in an organization and he realized he and his friend Chadda, I'm not sure about his full name, but then they realized that they were not able to get proper menu cards of restaurants. So that's where they created something called Foodie Bay, and they put all the menu cards in that particular website. It actually had a lot of people. It attracted a lot of people because they got into Foodie Bay to see which food to order from which restaurant. And then came this idea of food delivery. I think that's where the revolution happened, right? And today we know that in 2021 they also went public with their IPO. So from a small organization called Foodie Bay, which was just a time pass, wanting to make it easy for people, they came up to creating something called Zomato, which is a revolution in food delivery. So, how many of you know Mr. Narayan Murthy? I think all of you know, right? He brought in the 70 hours a week or more, probably. Yes, how many of you know? Can you tell me the company? Infosys, right? So, when he started this company, he didn't have the money. It is said that, he always says he borrowed 10,000 from his wife and then he started Infosys. Right? The idea of becoming a global service provider, I think that's something that came to him and he was very passionate about it. So, students, I think these are all leaders who have, left a very, very firm message for all of us, right? Either it's grit and determination, or passion, or consistency, not giving up, right? Probably starting small but thinking big. And these are messages for all of us if we want to be great leaders. So I would, I can give you so many such examples, but yes, I should stop here because of paucity of time. Otherwise, their Sai will tell me, man, band karo. So, अच्छा इधर से बोलोगे? Okay. So, students, yeah, I'm very happy to have you all at ITM Skills University. We'll keep meeting, and I'm going to be there on the induction day, the first day of your induction. Yeah, talking to you for a longer time, and I'm hoping to have more interactions with you. Thanks a lot for being part of the ITM family. And most importantly, yes, I would like to thank our guests who have spared their valuable time, to come all the way here and be with us, and also give you very important wisdom, right, which you can carry with you always for life. Thank you so much.